Hey guys, nhớ rằng trong xuyên tất cả là xin gì đầu tiên, ok. Giờ tiền nó tin nhiều cái videos nó là cho nên có bắt channel, nhớ trong subscribe on my channel and hit the bells for notifications for news update, ok. Đầu tư của re-upload video chia có thể bỏ nữa, ok. Nào nhớ được tụ videos nó mà it's a 3-digit touch nó cũng cho họ biết show thế nào, that's why. Một tụi nó có cho thổi với sai đồ thêm. I believe I already showed this video like once or twice already. Tức mà giờ đi nếu phải trong ta li ha chị có thể tôi muốn update share thế sẽ rong trả nè, ok. So bây giờ look at thầu lu gì thì chưa tờ tôi rồi gì chip này gì chip mà tờ thầu February 1st, ok. February 1st it come out to be February 1st of 2018, ok. Giờ tụ bây sai gì tụi nó lo nè, ok. Right there. Come out that time. Okay. So they write it down 206, 853, and then 31. Okay. Now nhớ rồi tụi lấy nào. You go down 4 times. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. From here. 8, 9, 0, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Nhớ rồi tụi formula nó nè. Cứ trâu. The draw E G. Okay, it come out on the next draw on. Okay, E G. This formula is a little bit, hard because more. What I mean by hard is you compare all this number. Okay, okay, it's a little harder number to guess. That's what I mean. Okay, có you more pair up, có you more pair like 194, 195, okay, and then go down here, okay, 294, 295, you go all the way down, and then you still go like this, 194, 195, okay, 014, 015, so that you have a group of tables, okay. Each group number not only close to like, I would say close to 20, 30 numbers, but it's lucky, right? You mua nhớ được hảo nè, okay. 915, okay. So giờ thì có chỉ again chỉ có group me like I told you, okay. You grouping up into a set of table, and then you eliminate out which one you don't like, okay. Based on good job formula nè. For example, like you have all these grouping number. Có mà sai tiệt to open digit như lần tư nè, and then the one that is not on the table, on the formula, on my videos, you can easily eliminate those number out, okay, so that's easy, okay. You could in your hand, but only just take a little time, okay. I hope that helps, alright guys. Now, lotto nó nè, nó mà sai rồi thôi, chú ý chi nè, okay. Now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you go down here 4 times. 9, 0, 1. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Nhớ cho tụi nó nè. Như tờ. Flow. E, G. Okay, it come out 415. Okay. So if you write on the table like I told you, okay, you get 404, 405. 414, 415. Okay, so far it's only 3 number or 4 number. Có tích trổ nè, okay. Alright. I hope you are not confused, alright. Okay, là bên sai rồi tụ plug chi nè, okay. Tụ plug chi nè chị. Xa nè, gì chua xuân ý, chỉ plug chi trậu, okay. 2, 3, 4, okay. Nhớ tụi nó chỉ là tại chi chua nè, nó tờ 5 and 9, okay. But this time it missed because it had doubles number, okay. Nhớ tụi formula nó mà giờ tụi tư nó tờ auto lấy nó nè, lấy khu nè, chỉ là muốn chỉ miss nè, okay. I look at that, like anytime we come out to be a double digit, okay, miss na okay. Now let's look at the 559 right here, okay. So let's consider this time it missed because it come out to be a double digit, okay. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Remember, you go down 4 times. Okay. Now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Nhớ cho tụi nó từ soon, sha, bait. Okay. You hit all 3 numbers. Okay. So if you write it like big table, you will hit. Okay. So far, it hits from here 1, 2. It hit 2 number. So 3. Oh, let's consider this one miss, okay? Because we look at 3-digit touch, but it does touch 2 number, okay? So you might need to tell hands money to double digit, okay? Now, basic to same okay? Nó to sun sharp na. Okay. Chỉ plow sun sharp yiu chi, okay? Chỉ plow chi trâu xa gì, okay, xuân chế ý ó gì cho xuân, okay. Nhớ tụi nó là nữ remember that, okay, nữ trâu nữ tới double digit nó là, okay, 229, okay. You hit the 2, you hit the 9, okay. So that's why I say anytime when they come out to be like double digit mà nữ muốn chỉ miss now, right? Okay. Thì nào bây giờ họ sẽ sai rồi thầu nó ó chua nè, okay. Ó chua chế xa yi chua sun y bê plau xa yi, okay. Nhớ rồi sun nó nè. Nữ tờ nè. Sun bê yi, okay. Nhớ rồi nó nè. 0, 3, 8 right there. Okay, that's why go there. You to think that double digit in the miss here, but sometimes it is don't here. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you some pay. Okay. Some pay come out on May 1st, right? So here we get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 7, no, 8, 9, 0. Go down, okay. Okay. Nhớ xuống bây giờ nữa. Tờ trâu hot chua. Okay. So we did have the number right here. Got 6, 629. Okay. Ni cứ trâu hay là trâu vào lại paper rộng thế này chứ không có hay nào, okay. It only means when it come out to be a double digit. So now let's take a look at 629, okay. 629. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, okay. Nhớ cho tụi nó nè. Nữ tờ y xạ, okay. Once again, it's a digit number, double digit number. Okay, right there. See right here? You missed all 3 times in a row, okay? Whenever it come out to be a double digit, you need to tell, it does touch 2 number, okay? Don't auto. This you need to talk about to say because it's come out to be a double digit, okay? Now, I shall toy so you shall, okay? You shall on it. You got 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, 9, 0, 1. Okay, nhớ cho tụi nó nè, người ta E, pay E. Guess what? It's lucky, right? Okay, 1, 3, 1. Even though no more auto double digit, but it's right over here. So nhớ rồi tụi nó này nó trêu này, okay. It's double digit, but you hit it this time. Tôi còn được mua nhớ nó, okay. So now bây giờ là một sai cho July 1st nè, okay. July 1st, right there. This is going to be a number for July 1st. All right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Nhớ cho number nó nè, okay. You group like I told you. Có muốn cho number nào cho rồi group nè. 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 6, 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 6. Okay. 4, 2, 5, 4, 2, 6. You do this all the way down, and then if you want, you can do it in the back. Okay. But come on, right there, you already have 5 and 6 here. That means you can do it like this, okay? 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, 6. You know, go what's all right. Just group the number and then use my other formula like the first digit, middle digit, the last digits, and then just try to eliminate out this big number, okay? The big table, okay? So this right here, it's gonna be our lucky number for July 1st of 2018, okay? You pay your number, okay? So, pay check back on this one in the next couple days, alright? Again, you go share, you go your videos, just subscribe and hit the bells for notifications, alright? Can you hit the like and share so that your friends teleport, more fun, okay? Share, donate your Facebook friend or things like that, okay? Alright guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.